Hi, Mama. Today, I want to talk about why I chose YouTube and why I consider YouTube as the best platform for me right now. And I'll also be sharing some tips for you if you're considering opening a YouTube channel or if you're even wondering if it's worth starting. Please stick with me because I'll be spilling the tea regarding my personal journey and my goals here on YouTube. So let's get into it. So first of all, I've always been someone who has always wanted to share her own experiences, give insights, talk about my journey, document things. I'm not new to social media. I've always been sharing myself, sharing my businesses, my ideas on social media on other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. But I decided one day while I was talking with my friends and my spouse that I have so much to share on here. So why not build a community, document my experiences, and who knows, someone out there may be looking for the same answers I have already proffered in my videos and they will find it helpful. YouTube has been a source of blessing to me because I know so many times I will be literally confused about a particular thing and I'm like, it's like Naomi mi waka komo. And then the next thing I have this inspiration to go check out on YouTube to see if someone else has shared an experience or shared an idea about how they were able to wriggle out of that situation and how they were able to find a solution to that similar situation I may be facing at that point. And because of that, I said I want to be that go-to person for people when they have a particular thing in mind. They come to me or come to my channel for answers. So this is actually one of the very many reasons why I chose YouTube. Secondly, I realized over time that Instagram and TikTok are really very fantastic for short form content, even though we have shorts on YouTube. But the kind of conversations I want to have in this community, I know that just a 3-minute video or 30 seconds video will not do. I also want to be able to have deep conversations with you and be able to build real bond with my community. I thought I may not be able to achieve that with other social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, for example, but I can do that here on YouTube. But let's be serious. YouTube actually is a business on its own. I didn't just wake up one morning and decide to come here on YouTube because I've been watching YouTube videos for as far back as 2014 or 2013. That's more than a decade now. And it's a business on its own because I've heard YouTubers that have been here before me say that you will make more out of YouTube when you begin to take it seriously, more or less like you would take your own business. And I know that if done right, YouTube can give you that income, and with the proceeds you can live that dream life of yours that you've always prayed for. Now let me talk about what I want to achieve right here on YouTube. One, I want to share my business journey. I love business. As you know, on this channel I share business, motherhood, lifestyle, conversations and content. I love business and I know that business can be really lonely. It can be really lonely. So I want to share my wins. I want to share my struggles. I want to share the tips that have worked for me. And who knows, it could be helpful to someone out there. Secondly, is that I want to be able to share my motherhood journey. You know, I even wish I started this thing earlier. I would have documented more. I would have been able to document even my birthing processes. I would have been able to document how I was able to maneuver postpartum hair loss, so many things that happened during and after pregnancy and all whatnot. But hey, I'm here, and there's nothing that would make me not to document from now on. So I'm not dealing with the past anymore. We are talking about the present, things that we can control, like the future. Then, thirdly, I want to be able to share what I live, what life looks like lifestyle vlogs, what a day in my life could look like, what I'm experiencing currently, or the travel experiences that I've had, just fun stuff. I really want to like document them and share them. So the vision is actually to build a community of women, of mothers, of entrepreneurs who think alike like me, where we could come together and share ideas and see how, with our passion, with our grit, with our experiences, we could make the world a better place. Why didn't I choose other social media platforms? I'll just categorize it in 3 reasons. One is longevity. Have you watched videos that were shot like 15 years ago? Like, I've watched documentaries shot 15 years ago. Just imagine that person didn't put it on YouTube. Would I be privileged to have access to such videos or to such wealth of knowledge? No. So I love the longevity. I love the fact that I can share something this year, and in the next 10 years it would still be here, given that YouTube still exists and someone can still watch it and gain valuable knowledge from it. Secondly, we are here for the monetization as well, because there's this adage that says hard work pays, right? So we all want to have passive income, many streams of income that we can use to make our lives better and live the lives of our dreams. Then thirdly is I really want to build a community through storytelling, through sharing ideas, through having fun with people, going into people's mind, knowing what they think about, the kind of conversations we bring to the table. So if you're thinking of starting YouTube, my advice to you would be, don't overthink it, especially if you're a mom like me. Just start. I know you have something in you that someone out there wants to hear. Your voice really matters. You have a phone in your hand that is already a great tool for you to start with. You don't need so much. Right here, I am using my phone to film this video right now with a ring light I bought like ages ago and a LED light I bought like ages ago. So you can start from somewhere. Start with what you have and grow into what you want to become. So if this is the sign you've been waiting for to know if you would start your YouTube journey today, then here is it. Start, mama. Start sharing those ideas. Start sharing those experiences. People want to hear from you, how you were able to overcome some challenges, how you were able to handle fame, how you were able to handle money, how you were able to do so many things. Your voice really counts. So that brings me to the end of this video. If you know you enjoyed this video, please do well to give it a thumbs up. And then join our community by subscribing, because I don't know what I'll do you. I didn't do anything to you. So you've got to subscribe and make sure to come back again and again to watch the sweet videos we'll be bringing onto the table right here, because trust me, I'm going to giving you value for your time and your money, because I know saying that money you carry by that data where you use to watch me. It's money you use to get that internet access, that data that you're using to watch me. And I'm going to be spilling the tea as to how you can earn money from home as a mother or as a lady, and so many other things in between. So thank you so much again for watching me, and I would see you in the next video. For now, bye.